Okay, I've been getting a lot of people asking about what do I shoot my videos with, and from the first episode I explained that I just want to do this run and gun, and I've done a lot of video shoots where you have to use all the high-end equipment, a lot of lighting and audio, and it's just not conducive to just getting outdoors and run and gun. I got a GoPro Hero Black 7. That's all I shoot with. The new stabilization system on these things is amazing, and the audio is just improved vastly since the GoPro Hero 5 and 6. So these new Hero 7s are perfect for vlogging or just outdoor adventures. You can just get outdoors. If you want to jump in the water, jump right in the water. You don't have to put it in a housing. You don't have to change lenses. Just jump in, jump out, keep hiking. And since I live large and small spaces, I need a small camera to get outdoors and live more.